Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a shared spreadsheet in Google Sheets mobile. Alright guys, here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone, and the first thing we are going to do is selecting the file that we want to share. And for instance, I'm going to select this file, so just tap on this three dots button on the file, and then we're going to select the manage access option. And if you want to share this Google Sheets file, you can simply click on this button. Then you can add people or groups right here, and then for example I'm going to add this user. Okay, and you can select editor or viewer or commenter right here, and for me I'm just going to select editor. So the users I share this file to can edit the document, and after that we can click on the send button to share this file. Okay, and just wait for a moment guys. Okay, and now the people has been added to our Google Sheets file. So we have shared this file to the user that we have added to our Google Sheets file. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a shared Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.